Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series. Verify an object's constructor with instance of is today's topic. Anytime a constructor function creates a new object, that object is said to be an instance of its constructor. JavaScript gives a convenient way to verify this with the instance of operator. Instance of allows you to compare an object to a constructor, returning true or false based on whether or not that object was created with the constructor. Here is an example. We have a constructor for bird, let crow, and we are creating a new bird and saving it inside crow, and then checking if crow is instance of bird, and in this case it's true. If an object is created without using a constructor, instance of will verify that it is not an instance of that constructor. For example, in case of canary, we have created it directly, and in this case if we check if canary is instance of bird, then it will return false. Task for this challenge: create a new instance of the house constructor, calling it my house and passing a number of bedrooms. Then use instance of to verify that it's an instance of house. In this case, let my house equal to new house, and here we will pass, for example, 4, and to check if it's instance of house, we will use my house variable instance of house. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.